Hello everyone, welcome to Digital Marketing YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna tell you about a very famous platform which is TikTok, which was founded in 2016. So its parent company is ByteDance. To create TikTok ads, first you have to go to ads.tiktok.com. ads.tiktok.com. So once we reach here, we will click on ads.tiktok.com. Then here we can see how many apps are owned by the same company: TikTok, Top Buzz, Buzz Video, News Republic, Hello, Vigo Video, Babe. So these are the apps where our TikTok ads will be shown. Either they might be partner of TikTok's parent company, ByteDance, or few of them might be owned by ByteDance. So let's start. First we will create an ad. We will click on it. So first I will create my TikTok account because I don't have a TikTok ads account right now. So we will start by creation of account. We will select the billing country or region, which is India. Then I will select, I will use this account for business, promote goods or services. I'm not creating an individual account to promote my personal websites. I will create it for business to promote multiple businesses. Then I will click on next. See, they are also offering 2000 rupees credit like Google used to do. First you have to spend 2000 and then they will credit 2000 more for you. So we will start with this. To sign up, they are asking for a few details as per your country. First I will enter my email address or phone number. I will prefer email address from India. It's DAINYKAISEY Then it is asking for password, which we can set, which I will enter. I will enter the password. Then it will ask for the verification code, which they will send to my email address. After that I will enter the verification code and verify my email address. So now I got the verification code on my email address, which is 6FKN4W. Now I will click on sign up. So guys, I have started this from the sign up option because I didn't have account on TikTok. So I have started with sign up. Otherwise, if you have a TikTok account, then you can proceed to creating campaigns. Now it is asking me for the billing option and account name. I will start with the billing region, India. Account name, so my account name would be Digital Marketing Consultant. It is asking for currency, telephone number. I will provide my telephone number. Now I will click and submit. So now it's creating our account on the basis of information we have provided. So now my TikTok account has been created. It is showing me different options like create new or use existing, buying type, auction, and different options like we used to see in Google Ads dashboard, like billing, ad group, payment, awareness, consideration, awareness, traffic, conversions. These interfaces are quite similar and quite easy to use. So now we are in the TikTok ads account, we can see the dashboard. There are few options like how much we have spent or how many clicks our campaigns got. It will show overall view of the data like cost, CPC, CPA, impressions, CTR, clicks, overall data of the account. Today's spend, payment option, so ads, ad group, active or not. So these are the different options. Once you will create the account and navigate through the account, you will come to know the different and new options, how TikTok ads work, how TikTok account works. Now there is second option, which is campaign. Right now I am just explaining an overview of the TikTok ads account. In the next video I will show you how to create a campaign. See, here is the option to create the campaigns. So now it is showing campaign, library, reporting. With the campaign you can see here's ad group, ad. So you might be familiar with the Google Ads campaign, so you can easily navigate through the TikTok accounts as well. Now library, event, creative, audience, reporting, where we can see and download our reports and data which we can share further with our clients. Here are the other settings like language, interest. It is very easy to use. So now here's the main thing. Right now TikTok ads is promoting its ad platform and giving 2000 rupees credit. So if we will spend 2000, we will get 2000 in our account as a credit, and there is a limit. Here it is showing expiration date, which is May 21, 2020, approx 1 month from today. Today is April 21, and it will get expire on May 21, the credit. So if I will spend 2000 rupees before May 21, I will get 2000 rupees from TikTok to spend on this account. So this was all about my video on the TikTok ads, how to create the account and how its dashboard look, how its campaign structure and other settings look. Now in my future video I will share with you how to create campaign. So guys, this platform is new, but it is very beneficial because lot of people are spending their time on the TikTok and other apps which are similar to TikToks and which are partner with TikTok. So it would be really beneficial and knowledgeable for the digital marketing expert and the people who are learning digital marketing to know about the TikTok ads, because it's a new platform and lot of youngsters and even elders are spending their time on TikTok. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, you can hit a like button and you can subscribe to this channel so that you can get the notification whenever I upload my new video. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.